Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, you're in like a different environment today. No pretty background, just me in my natural element with a mask on, have my hair up, and I am ready to clean. So I wanted to film a video of how I organize all of my makeup in my vanity. So it's kind of going to be like a clean my vanity with me video, if that makes sense. I'm sorry if this is a little shaky. I don't have a little tripod like one of those gorilla pods yet, but I will be getting one soon. So let's get right into the video. This is what I have going on right now. I am planning on organizing, showing you guys how I organize my vanity and cleaning out everything on the top. Keep in mind, this is not how I have my vanity. I had started organizing and then I thought to myself, you know what, I should just make a video of on how I organize my products because it can help other people. And also, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love watching these videos on YouTube because it motivates me to keep my things organized as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is focus on organizing this part of my vanity. I've already put all of my, part of my lippies in here, and these are just some of my NYX lip creams and liquid suede, and the lip lingeries are all in here. On top I have like my brushes, but I wanted to like wipe everything down and kind of like find a place for everything. I also have my makeup like in here, and I wanted to organize these drawers. They're organized in a way, but I wanted to find a better home for them and just make sure that everything looks nice and neat. Alright, so we're going to get started. I am using a glass cleaner and a rag. It's a microfiber towel rag. I'm removing all of the makeup that's in this drawer, wiping everything down. A lot of it is pretty much self-explanatory, but I just wanted to run everything by you guys. You're going to see that I repeat all these steps constantly, basically just cleaning the drawers, removing all the makeup, and organizing everything in the way that I want it to be organized. Right now, I'm just grabbing everything that's loose articles, loose makeup, and putting it where it belongs. I'm finding a home for it. So in this case, I was just grabbing my liquid lipsticks and making sure that they're all in my second and third drawers. Now I'm working on my lashes. The third drawer of this acrylic organizer is going to be all of my false lashes. And now I'm repeating all the steps for the fourth drawer, making sure that I remove everything out, clean a drawer, and then get it ready for my palettes. I'm done cleaning the fourth drawer. This is now going to be home to my eyeshadow palettes, at least some of them, more of the high-end ones. And then the last drawer, which is the biggest one, is going to be home to all of my skincare products. Now moving on to my IKEA drawers. These are the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA, like I mentioned. I'm just cleaning these inserts that I have here, which I picked up at IKEA. They're actually used for eating utensils, but I use them to store my makeup. I find that they keep everything organized and also clean. I find that many YouTubers have these Alex 9 drawers, but I mean, what can I say? They're just really good at keeping things organized and out of the top of your desk. So right now I'm separating my foundations, my primers, my highlighters, concealers. Those are actually liquid highlighters. They are not all of the highlighters that I have, and some face powders. Basically liquid products that I use on my skin on the daily basis. This is the first drawer, so I want to keep stuff that I can pick up constantly whenever I need it. Now moving on to the second drawer. This is where I keep my blushes, highlighter, and bronzers. I'm going to be removing all the makeup per usual and reorganizing all of it. I'm also going to be changing the order and how I keep my makeup in this drawer. I am wiping down the inserts and underneath the inserts. Not that they're very dirty, but I do like to give it almost like a spring cleaning and making sure everything is living in a fresh home, so to speak. I went ahead and changed the angle of the camera just so it can be seen better, see what I'm doing. I'm adding all of the blushes in this middle compartment here. And now I have added my highlighters to the right compartment, and on the left you can see that I've already added my bronzers. Now with this third drawer, you can see I don't have a lot in here. I'm removing everything, cleaning, and then I'm going to add some of my other eyeshadow palettes in here. If you noticed, I took a lot of the palettes that were on the acrylic organizer, and I wanted to focus on keeping them in here just because I wanted to keep it clutter-free. On top of my makeup vanity, I feel like it feels a lot nicer when you don't have a lot of clutter on top of your vanity, and it makes it look cleaner and it makes it look like you have more space. So my objective was to put as much as I could makeup wise in these Alex drawers and take as much advantage as I could. So now I'm just reorganizing how I want my makeup palettes in here. I'm also adding some liquid eyeshadows and glitters to these compartments. Moving back up to my acrylic organizer, I'm going to be taking this candle that I depotted and now using it to store all of these sample perfumes. I'm going to remove all of the perfumes out of here, and it's now going to be home to all of my lip pencils and eyeliners and mascaras, and that way it can just stay on top of my makeup vanity, and it could be easier access for me to use constantly. And with these sample perfumes, I'm going to be adding them to the drawer where I keep my Bath & Body Works supplies. This is where I keep my body mists and perfumes and body lotions, all from Bath & Body Works. And this is the second to last drawer. And then on the last drawer, I do have more Bath & Body Works lotions and body mists, but I won't be showing it to you guys because it pretty much just looks like this drawer. And now the last step, I'm just cleaning the top of this acrylic organizer, which, by the way, if you are interested in it, I do have a video unboxing, which I will have it written down in the description if you guys are interested. I'm removing all the excess little things, little miscellaneous things that need to find a home. I'm doing that right now. So what do you guys think? I really like the final product. I love how my acrylic organizer looks a lot less cluttered than it did before. And I just love that feeling of when everything is so clean and neat. It always feels so stress relieving for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was different from videos that I usually do. And I hope that this motivated you to clean your beauty space. Hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever in the world you are. Until next time, bye guys.